airlines on this flight, we'd like to finally welcome you to Houston. Please remain seated, seatbelts fastened, seat back tray tables in their full upper hand lock position, and all those carry them stowed. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs, be advised that opening those overhead bins items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. Also, please be advised that the aircraft doors will be open during ground servicing. For your safety, please ensure that you and anyone you're supervising